Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send money online with Moneygram. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type moneygram.com. This will land you on the official website of Moneygram, where the first method of sending your money online is that you just have to log in into your account. For that, you just have to click on this login button, and after providing your email address and your password, you simply need to log in into your account. Afterwards, you just have to provide the amount that you want to send. Then in the receiver country, you just have to select that particular country in which you are going to send your money. After selecting it, you will have to click on the option of estimate fee. Once you do this, it will show you the conversion according to the currency that you have chosen. It will also show you in how many hours the money will be received by the user. You will also be able to see various payment options like debit card, credit card, cash at location, and the receiver can get the payment directly in their bank account, or they can also get it via the cash pickup option. So in the payments method, you will have to select the payment method that you want to use, whether it is debit card, credit card, cash at location. And for the receiver, you will have to select the method in which you want to send the money. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it as bank account. Then you need to select a direct to bank account option. So among the given options, you will have to choose any of these that best suits you. For this video, I'm going to select it as all banks. Then you just have to scroll down, and if you have any coupon code or promo code relating to MoneyGram, then you can also put that code over here and press apply. After that, you will have to click on the get started button in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to conclude your payment. This way you will be able to send money online using MoneyGram. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.